I want to talk about a few things that have been in the news. It's all about genetics, and they're really ramping it up. Like, they want people to be aware of this, and I have no doubt that they've known some of this, well, maybe all of this technology for quite a while, but they haven't left the public know until recently. And it's really interesting, the things that they're coming out with, that they're allowing the average normal person to know and understand. The first thing I want to talk about is they're genetically engineering bacteria to help with the honeybee problem of them dying off. So I'm going to read a little bit, and I'll leave links in the description of the stuff I'm talking about. This one says, the engineered bacteria live in the guts of honeybees and act as biological factories, pumping out medicines protecting the bees against two major colony collapse: Varroa mites and deformed wing virus. The researchers believe their method could one day scale up for agricultural use because the engineered bacteria are easy to grow. Inoculating the bees is straightforward, and the engineered bacteria are unlikely to spread beyond bees. Now, it's just unlikely, it's not impossible. So, keep that in mind too. The other thing is they're unlocking the secrets of regeneration from a really small salamander that's able to reproduce pretty much anything, as long as whatever they, whatever limb they lose or whatever organ isn't right, they can regenerate all of that, as long as whatever's affecting them doesn't kill them upon impact. They can regenerate it. So they're using what they're finding, the genetics that they're finding in the salamander, and hoping to one day apply it to humans. And the other thing I want to talk about is the Trump Space Force logo. It's pretty simple. I know a lot of people are having a problem with it because it looks like Star Trek or Star Wars. I get them confused. I'm not a big fan of either one, but it looks like their logo. And the thing I find interesting is there's 23 stars, and I relate that to 23 pairs of chromosomes. And I don't know if that's, coincidence. I don't believe in coincidence, but maybe some people do. But I don't think it's an accident. I think it's absolutely because there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, and this stuff is all genetics based, and they are desperately trying to convince people, or will try to convince people, and are starting to already, that they need to go into the next level of evolution by changing their DNA. And I just want to advise people to not go along with it. Do not go into this technology that's going to bond with your body. I don't care if it, what they tell you it's going to do for you. It's going to turn you from a creation of God into a creation of the beast system, and you do not want to do that ever. And like I said, I'll leave links in the description if you want to read the entire things. So I hope everybody has a blessed day.